You come in, there's some storage area here with an ironing board. We have safe, microwave, mini fridge, a little stool here. You need to sit to take your shoes off. And then one sink. And then you come into the bathroom. There's a shower, toilet, mirror, and another sink. And there's a nice large sliding door here to separate the bathroom off. 2 queen beds, sitting area with table, a desk with a large flat screen TV, and a mirror. And then, of course, one of the biggest selling points for the Drury is the view. Over here, we have the Coronado, and slightly past that will be the Contemporary and Magic Kingdom with a view of Magic Kingdom fireworks. There you can see the Swan and Dolphin and EPCOT fireworks. And then over here, you see the large blue balloon aerofoil over in Disney Springs, as well as the Cirque du Soleil tent there. And then we have a lovely view of the lake, the pool, and a very large splash pad that I can't wait to take my boys down to. Overall, the Drury Inn has been really nice and a great surprise for the value. So we're super excited for the rest of our Disney trip. Good morning from the Drury. Sorry about my voice from the theme parks, but I wanted to do kind of like a lived-in look that you don't see that much in hotels. So we definitely took advantage of all the space. We have our big double stroller here. We've taken over those counters. Excuse the mess while we're packing. This is how we did our bed setup for our 2-year-old. So we have these inflatable bed rails that we put under the sheets. And then we bring his little pillow and blanket and stuffed animal from home. We had the sound machine here. This is where my husband and I slept. And I mean, look at the space in this room. Then we still had all this space for the pack and play, table area for while we watched the fireworks. And just for reference, now that I've seen the fireworks, we could see the Magic Kingdom fireworks right over here. And then for the EPCOT fireworks, you can't really tell when it's not lit up, but this white bluish building is Guardians and Spaceship Earth is right behind it. And the EPCOT fireworks were right in this area, and they were really clear. Definitely some of the closest and best view. And then there was a fireworks show really way off in the distance over here that I'm not sure what that was. I thought it might have been Hollywood Studios, but looking at the map, it doesn't really match, but it could just be. I'm a little turned around geographically. And then Disney Springs is right there. I mean, we walked over there the first day, and it was a super easy about 12-minute walk, but it didn't feel that long because it was nice tree-lined paths. You felt safe the whole way. And though we didn't do it at night, there were lights all the way around it. So I feel like it would be well lit. And then just even more space over here that we've left some suitcases. So, I mean, this is a huge room. Definitely worth the value. You get some bang for your buck here. The food has been great. I would definitely stay here again. What about you? I definitely would as well. My husband would too. So we recommend it. I mean, this was a beautiful view at night when everything was lit up with the fireworks, and it's a beautiful view in the morning time here now. What?
bye, bye.